In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Miro board. We'll go from signing in to naming your new board so it's easy to find and share later, keeping everything simple and clear. Start by heading to Miro and signing into your account. After you log in, you'll land on your home or dashboard view. If you're part of multiple teams or workspaces, glance at the top of the screen to make sure you're in the right one. This matters because boards live inside specific workspaces, and choosing the correct space now will save you from moving things later. On the dashboard, look toward the top area for the option to create something new. You'll typically see a prominent button labeled Create New or a plus icon that says New Board. Click that to begin. If you don't see the button, try resizing your window or checking that you have permission to create content in the current workspace. Switching to another team can also help if your organization uses different spaces for different projects. When the creation menu appears, choose the board option. This opens a clean, infinite canvas, perfect for brainstorming, planning, and mapping out ideas without worrying about running out of room. While templates can be handy for structured workflows, starting with a blank board gives you total flexibility and keeps things focused if you're just getting started. As soon as your new board opens, take a moment to name it properly. In the top left corner, you'll see a default title like Untitled Board. Click that title and type a descriptive name. A clear name will make searching faster later, especially if you end up with many boards. Consider including the project name, the purpose, and maybe a date or version number so collaborators instantly know what they're looking at. Good naming conventions are a small habit that pays off over time. From here, your board is ready to use. Miro auto-saves your changes, so you don't need to worry about losing progress. You can always find this board again from your dashboard by searching for the name you just set, or by browsing your recent items in the correct workspace. If you're working with a team, naming also helps others locate the board quickly without back and forth messages. That's it. You've created a new Miro board and given it a clear identity. In just a few clicks, you now have an infinite canvas ready for ideas, sticky notes, wireframes, or whatever your project needs. Thanks for watching and enjoy building out your board.